Today we're gonna be opening this electronic microwave. Ooh, I'm excited. And it even says lights and sound. This is what it looks like outside the box. Let's keep on opening. Let's open it up. It looks like it comes with a burger, popcorn, a hot dog, and some chicken. First thing I got is this super cool hot dog that looks realistic, the sausage, and we can remove it out. Let's make this burger. So we got the sausage right over here. Yummy, yummy hamburger. Thing we got is this popcorn, and ooh, I'm excited to be seeing how this microwave works. All right, let's put in the popcorn in first. Let's put it in like that, and I'm just gonna close it. Okay, so the first thing I want to be doing is I want to press add second, and I'm gonna show this super closely. I can add a second, and let's restart. And then I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add a second. I'm gonna reset, and we're gonna press popcorn. That's 8 seconds. So let's start. Okay, now let's open it up. And our popcorn is in. Ooh, a little bit hot. Yummy, yummy popcorn. All right, now let's microwave our hot dog. Put it in. Like that. And let's do this again. Oh. So let's press on the hot dog. Doesn't look like we have the chicken. Let's try the chicken. Or, okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna just add 10 seconds, all right? Let's do 10 seconds. Let's press start in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it out. Ooh, yummy, yummy hot dog. Our last thing we're going to be microwaving is actually 2 things we're going to be microwaving. The first thing is going to be microwaving the hamburger, and then the chicken. Got to show you the chicken, but this is what the chicken looks like. Let's put it in. Close it up. Let's press restart and press the chicken. And start. All right, it looks like it's done. Let's get it out. Ooh, yummy, yummy chicken. Okay, our last thing we're gonna be Mike's burger. Let's put the burger in. Close it up. You can see there. And let's press restart. And the little burger right there. And start. Ooh, yummy burger. Food, I'm starving. Well, look, turn around. Yo, there's a yummy burger in the microwave. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Oh, okay. Relax. Can I have it though? Yes, you can have it. Yay. Okay, let's get it out. Alright, so an LOL doll wants a burger. This is perfect because it's right now ready. Let's get it out. Alright, so let's get it out and get our burger. Our yummy, yummy hamburger. Excited to be eating it. Yum, 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 yum. That was delicious. I ate everything. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's gone. Oh my god, that's crazy. Yep, that was delicious, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!